What's up, guys? Well, welcome to my channel. Just like my intro, bro. Do you know, guys? Should I talk higher? It's a bit cold, you know. Hi. Okay. Do you know how I was talking about to you guys? My sister and my mum went to New York. They went to Target. Yeah, obviously. And then, bro, they spent £140 on snacks. America is expensive. It was in New York, by the way, yeah. They went to Target and they spent £140 on snacks. There's a lot in here, but they already had some for like the plane trip and that. So, yeah, that's why it was a lot, but still, £140 for snacks is absolutely ridiculous. Okay, first, we're not going to be trying all of them. We'll try some. It's going to be a part 1, part 2, or part 3, because this is going to take until flipping next year to finish. Probably 2 years until 2026. And then, yeah, here we have Hershey's. I'm not going to be trying these. I'll be trying them here. Actually, no, I'm just going to show you the ones I'm going to try. But I tried to do a playlist. Do you know my playlist reacting to videos? It's only one video on that playlist. I'm going to be doing some more if you want me to. But I'm trying to make one rating snacks and drinks, but I can't. It doesn't let me. When I do a video, it just says, do you want to add this video to the other playlist that I made? And it doesn't say add a playlist. Okay, next, we'll try Milk Duds. These are very popular in America. You guys know what I'm talking about if you're from America. But what's it called? I already tried one. It was actually pretty nice. But let me try one more again, because I forgot what it tastes like. This is what they look like. It's hard to chew though. Okay, that was weird. It's nice. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Next, we're going to be trying like 5 snacks. So like 3 or 4 more. What could we try? This. They sell this in the UK, but not in a packet like this. It's one rope, I think. I don't know if they sell this in the UK. But manufactured by Ferrara Candy Company, Chicago. Okay. Can't really see it, but anyway, let's try it. How do I open this? Oh, it fell. Only 1 dropped, or 2. Okay. That's what it looks like. You guys probably know what this is. It's very popular in UK and America. But America produces like every snack. Now, tell me. America has better candy, England has better chocolate. Like Cadbury. I know they have Cadbury, but they don't have like the Oreo one. Yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, that. It's nice. Okay, I'll give you my rating. Ten out of 10. No, 9.9 out of 10. The 10 is like the best. Well, this would probably be the best. So good. Let me just show you something. Target bag. Look at all of that. This just like doesn't stop. Next up, we will try this nerd one. Oh my gosh, I keep falling. I've already tried this, but oh no, that's so nice. Nerds was, bro, nothing's better than nerds. Oh. I always hurt myself when I'm on the stairs. Okay, it's the pink ones. One dropped. That's what it looks like. You cannot even see, but there, at the bottom right there. I'm not choking, I'm joking. Remember on the video I choked? $9.9 as well. I'm going to be trying one more snack and some nerds as well. We have Pop-Tarts as well, but it's the one you toast for breakfast. I might do it tomorrow. Or today. It doesn't have to be for breakfast. Next up, we have these nuts. Okay, wait. So it's like this and there's different flavours. That's what it looks like inside. Well, it's not that nice, but it's alright. Pop-Tarts, obviously we have in the UK as well, but my mum and sister got it from America. My battery's gonna die. I don't like this flavour. But anyway, that's the end of the video. See you next time. Peace.